Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I'll show you the Altium software user interface. So let's start by going to Start menu, then choosing the Altium Designer software. As you can see, it's loading. Okay. Now this is the user interface. This is Altium Designer 18, but it's very much the same for all versions of the software. Up here we have a main menu. It's File, View, Project, Windows, and Help. In the right we have the libraries and the documents menu, and here we have the projects explorer. You can go to the navigator, messages, and output. These are tabs. So let's start by creating a new project. File, new project, PCB project. As you can see, we got a file in the projects explorer window here. If we click here in the project itself, we can add new to project. We can add schematic, a PCB, or any other file that you want. And let's start by adding a schematic file for our component. As you can see, here we have a different menu because we are in the schematic tab here. You can choose to place this menu wherever you want. As you can see, when you place it here, you can simply click it to view. And this is our main schematic window. We can click here, add new to project, and then choose PCB. Okay. Now we have a project file that have a schematic, a sheet.schem doc, which means schematic document, and PCB doc, which means a PCB document. Now we can save this project in a folder. Let me save everything here. Let's keep it to default name, PCB, okay, and the schematic, okay. This is the project file. So we saved the project and the two files, the schematic and the PCB. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is the main menu. When you change the file, the menu changed. This is the schematic file, and this is the menu. When we add the PCB file, we have a root menu, which is used specifically for the PCB file. And the bottom menu also changed. Here we have multiple colors, and we have the navigator, as I mentioned earlier. That's it for the user interface. Next, we will start building our component symbol. See you next. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board.